Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm taniyah.i, and if you've been watching for a while, hey, welcome back. So I see y'all love my sit down videos, so I'm gonna make another sit down video for y'all. Mind you, I'm in Texas, so we kind of like snowed in right now, frozen in, so I was like, let me just talk to y'all and whatnot and see what we come up with. No, I'm just playing. I'm also a little sick right now, so I'm sorry in advance. I'm gonna try to cut out all the sniffling and coughing because I know if y'all was me and I was y'all, I wouldn't want to be hearing all that sniffling cough. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to cut that off, y'all. Don't worry. In today's video, we're going to be talking about YouTube in 2026. Specifically, if you're wanting to start a YouTube channel this year. And I recommend everyone to start a YouTube channel if you are a talkative person. Even if you're not talkative like with other people, if you even like to talk to yourself sometimes. If you just like to talk. If you are very outgoing. If you like to try new things, if you're humanistic, if you like to teach people things, and really if you just like to talk. I feel like YouTube is for you. Like, stop sleeping on yourself and start a YouTube channel this year. This is your sign. If you've been thinking about it and pondering, this video is your sign to start. So yeah, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and thank me for giving you your sign to start a YouTube channel. You're welcome. Anyways, so I think a few things about starting a YouTube channel that people wait on, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna get comfy. Don't mind my Christmas pajamas. Yes, I still have them on. I'm a sick girl right now, so we're comfortable. And yeah, for some reason, being sick gives me so much more confidence. So backwards. I don't know, but I've been very confident while I'm sick. I feel like I look cute, don't mind the edges. I was going for like a gentle edge curl look. I don't know, but that's not what this video is about, so we're not gonna dwell on it. Anyways, I feel like a few misconceptions that comes with starting a YouTube channel is people thinking that your videos have to be perfect and you have to be in one specific niche, and I just don't think that's the case. I'm pretty sure y'all could go through, literally you could pick any of my videos and I guarantee you none of them are perfect. No, none of them are perfect, especially like my first 15. Yeah, they're not perfect. And the thing also, like with the misconception of people thinking that you need a perfect time to start, you don't. You just need to start, because if you don't start now, a year or a few months down the line, you're gonna wish you started when you wanted to start. You first got the thought to start. Literally just start. Because when I started, I still wasn't ready. I was like, I'm not starting. I'm not ready yet. And I made that boring Q&A video last year in March. But look, we're here now. Literally, you just have to start. Trust yourself and figure out what you want your YouTube channel to be about. Now, I know a lot of people say that you need a niche, and I agree and I don't at the same time, because it's just multiple things that you can do to express yourself as a YouTuber and show people who you are. Like how I like to sit down and have these talks with y'all. I guess you consider them educational videos, but I also like to do my vlogs, which is considered lifestyle content. And my views fluctuate. And I even do like try on hauls, a clothing shopping haul or something like that. And my views fluctuate, my engagement fluctuates. So I don't think it's fair to say to just stick into one niche and be there. Like, no, I think it's good to explore, expand, try different things and figure out what you like to do and also what viewers like to see from you. Just like I see that y'all like these type of videos, so I'm doing it again. Give y'all a blessing. But yeah. Also, another tip I would say about starting a YouTube channel this year is that short form content is literally taking off. And I'm sure y'all could see that, because ever since TikTok has been a thing, everyone's freaking attention span has diminished, literally. So it's like you really have to hone in on the short form type of content, like the shorts and stuff. But don't be discouraged with the long form content, because y'all see I still do that. But like in those first, I say like 2 minutes, you really have to create a hook for your video and capture their attention. Because if in those first few minutes, if people not engaged, maybe they click it off your video. And I've learned that. Yeah, I be watching the analytics. I've learned that. I guess I gotta be a little bit more engaging, because I feel like when I first start the YouTube video, I'm like shy, but as I keep going, I get more in the comfort zone. I'm talking to y'all, we're vibing, we be vibing. So they really missing out. The ones who stay are the real ones, and I appreciate y'all. Literally, if you stayed to this part of the video, drop some lemons in the comment. But yeah, I really encourage everyone to start a YouTube channel if that's something that you've been thinking about doing. If you've been thinking about doing this, do it. Don't be comparing yourself to other people. That's another thing. Comparison. Do not be comparing yourselves. it's okay to go watch people's videos and get inspiration from them, but don't compare yourself to them. And also, I don't recommend you starting on YouTube if you don't already watch YouTube yourself. Like, if you don't watch YouTube for fun and you just want to start it for whatever reason, I don't know how well that's gonna work for you. I just feel like it gotta be something you're in tune with to actually like to do it and want to do it. That's why I started, because YouTube, I've been a YouTube girly since grade school, and it was always my little thing. And I know literally like half this generation has made a fake YouTube video before, or posted one as a kid, or made one and didn't post it. Sorry, y'all, needed a tissue break. But yeah, I know so many of us got some type of fake YouTube video still sitting on our phone from like 2016 and ain't posted it. But look, what's that trend nowadays? What is it? 2026 is the new 2016. See? It shows high. It shows high. Literally. That's what it is. 2026 is the new 2016. Another tip I would say with starting a YouTube channel this year is that you have to be consistent. I heard someone say consistency beats intensity, and I can't agree more. Like, literally, you have to be consistent. When I first started out, I was doing one video every week. And my 21st video, the car one, decorate my car with me, that one got the most views to this day. And I still don't know what everyone really loved about that video, but I also know that I was consistent while getting there. I didn't take breaks off, weeks off, you know? I was just like, because I actually like making videos, and it's something that I want to do. It doesn't feel like a chore to me. So yeah, with that consistency, and then when that video reached that many views, I was like, oh, literally, like, it's paying off. Like, it's just a rewarding feeling. It's a rewarding feeling. So yeah, I would say consistency over intensity. Practice makes perfect. And you literally learn something new about how you want to do your videos every time you post a video. And that goes to say another tip with starting a YouTube channel in 2026 is editing. I use CapCut Pro, but I know some people who use like iMovie and Adobe. I'm not too familiar with those. I'm more comfortable with CapCut. I probably should branch out, but not just yet, because CapCut hasn't been doing me dirty. But yeah, editing on CapCut, I feel like it's perfect for beginners. I know a lot of people that I watch, they pay someone to edit their videos. And I mean, you can do that if you want to, or you can just learn on CapCut. I mean, literally, you can look up a video. Google is free, and learn how to do it yourself. I edit my videos myself. We're working together. We're work in progress together. You're just starting out, and I'm a beginner. Another tip with starting a YouTube channel is figuring out what is the purpose of your videos. Are they teaching someone? Are they motivating someone? Are they entertaining someone? Are they funny? Are they making you laugh? You just have to figure out the actual purpose. I like that better than discovering a niche for yourself. I like figuring out the purpose of your videos better. I feel like that is more useful. Like, how is this video of use to the viewers? What is the person who's watching this getting out of the video? And if you're like, I don't know, well, figure it out. Not today, not tomorrow, but yesterday. I'm just messing with y'all. I love y'all. Now, this tip, a common mistake that people fall for, including myself, and that I'm starting to catch on to, is thumbnails. Someone said, edit that thumbnail like it's a billboard. Thumbnails is what's gonna grasp people's attention. That's what's gonna grasp people's attention. Now, I feel like what you describe your video as is what YouTube messes with the algorithm with, but that YouTube thumbnail is what grabs people's attention. Edit that YouTube thumbnail real cute. Make sure that the wording is clear. Everything doesn't have to be fancy dancy nancy. Really, sometimes less is more. And I've been seeing that trend of like the 4 collage thing with the words. Everyone loves that. Or the one like off guard looking picture with the word describing your video. Everyone loves that. It's just, you have to play around with it, have fun with it. I have fun with mine. Creating the thumbnail is one of the favorite things that I like to do. Editing, not so much, but I'm getting there. We can always do better with that. Also, I would say that, I don't know if this is necessarily a tip. Well, I put it as a tip. But if you're starting YouTube just for like monetary gain, probably don't. Like, if it starts feeling like, if you're doing it as like a job or like a chore for you, I don't know how long that'll really last. I don't know. I hear a lot of people say that they're like, if you only want it for monetary usage, then maybe like don't start just yet. Figure out something you love with it, have fun with it, and if people are really vibing with you, then that'll come regardless. You know, it'll come regardless. It'll come with it. And don't just set your mind to, I want to start YouTube so I can make money. You know, I personally like it because it's like a visual diary for me, and I know I can always look back at these videos when I'm older and be like, girl was popping it. Be like, I was sick on January 25 of 2026. That's the day I was sick on, back when I was 22. And then, I don't know, I guess my last and final tip for starting a YouTube channel in 2026 is talking to your audience, your viewers, like they're people. Like actually talking to your audience. Not just, hey, look at this, look at that bird, the grass is green, the sky is blue. No, actually talk to them, give them the update, spill the tea a little bit. Spill that tea. If you got something to spill, I don't really be having tea to spill. I mean, I don't even like tea. What's that girl name from Love Island? What she say? Amaya, she was like, I'm just not the cup of tea you should be sipping on.
Guess what? I'm just not your cup of tea to be drinking, so don't fucking drink it.
But yeah, talk to your viewers and stuff. Don't just show them everything. Don't be monotone. Again, I am a victim of this. Something that I've been working on as well. Just because I'm a talkative person, but I can sit there and have a conversation to myself and be just fine. And that's why I'm starting to treat this as having a conversation with myself, talking to y'all at the same time, and doing good. And doing just fine. But yeah, don't be sitting here and just doing a visual diary. Like if you want to do a visual diary, just put that in your video so they know that's what that is. And they not really gonna hear from you like that. But if it's something that's like a lifestyle content, a vlog, a how-to, educational, promotional, motivational, inspirational, congregational, what? Then you're gonna want to have that conversation. Like you want it to feel like it's a convo. Like we on FaceTime. Like I'm picking up the phone. I'm like, hey, what's good? What it is? What it is? No, I'm just playing. But you want it to feel like it's a FaceTime. Like, I'm sitting here and I'm talking to you like you're my homegirl. Not some random bozo. Like, you my homegirl and I'm just chilling in. Like, hey, what's good? That's what you want it to feel like. And I recommend that's what y'all have y'all's videos feel like. But yeah, that was all the tips that I have for starting a YouTube channel this year. I really hope if you're thinking about it that you do it. Don't second guess yourself. Like I said, if you've been thinking about it and you clicked on this video, this is a sign. This is your sign. Go ahead and do it, ma. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. And also, oh, hold on. When you start and you receive negative comments, delete those comments. Don't let those comments sit and ponder. Because if you let those comments sit and ponder and someone else sees that someone commented negative about you, they're going to think that they can do that too. Don't allow that. Don't allow people to talk crazy to you or to post what they think they can post about you and comment. No, I delete mine because I'm just like, if you didn't like it, keep scrolling. You ain't have to click. You ain't have to watch. I delete them. Only allow positivity on your page, on your channel, around you, because if you let those comments like that sit and you dwell on them, you're gonna feel unmotivated. So don't do that to yourself. Delete those comments, please. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video on tips on starting a YouTube channel in 2026. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Check out my vlogs on my channel. Get to know me. Get to know me for me. I hope you guys, if y'all are in Texas or Pennsylvania or any crazy place that's snowed in right now, stay safe. Don't go driving. I've been in the house for 2 days looking at the 4 walls. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on outside. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all's day. Thank you for watching. Bye.